Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Ballers TV. Today I'm going to discuss about the top three European leagues. Let's start with the Premier League. Who is the best player in the Premier League? Daniel, according to you.
I feel it's Harry Kane because he scored the most goals in the league and he has the most assists as well. Although Tottenham didn't finish in a good position, I think he's still the best player in the league.
Next question goes to Zion. Who do you think is the best manager in the Premier League?
I feel it's Thomas Tuchel. He's made a great difference in Chelsea style of play, and he's also a really incredible manager. His transformation of Chelsea of the 2020-21 season of the Premier League has been incredible and one of the greatest achievements. Yeah, so I would say Thomas Tuchel. Yeah, getting them from 10 to 4th after a few months of his arrival and making such changes is really impressive.
Shane, would you rate the Premier League's title race for us?
I would rate the title race of the Premier League a 6 out of 10. And there wasn't much of a title race at the ending of the season. But as compared to the first part of the Premier League, that is before Christmas, the table where Manchester City were around 12 and Spurs were on top of the table. Manchester City have collected themselves and recovered pretty well by winning many games and gathering a lot of points, which guaranteed them winning the Premier League. So there wasn't much of a title race, but there was a tough competition for the UCL qualifiers. That is the top four spots.
Last, last question regarding the Premier League. Who is the best signing according to you, Zion?
There are two signings actually. One is Edison Cavani and the other is Thiago Silva. But I would say Thiago Silva, since he's coming from a top team like PSG. Uh, Although in the starting of the season he wasn't performing so well, but throughout the ending he was, like a brick in the defense. No one, like a brick wall in the defense. No one could get past him. So yeah.
Anyone want to add on to that? Anyone want to add on to that?
Yeah, I wouldn't agree with Zion here. And I would say that Ruben Diaz has been a good pick for Manchester City. He has also been proven very crucial for Manchester City in winning many games in the Premier League and the Champions League. So I would go with Ruben Diaz here.
Moving on to the next league in La Liga. Daniel, who do you think is the best player in the La Liga league?
I feel Messi is the best player in La Liga. He scored 30 goals and he has 9 assists this season. Without him, I don't think Barca would have finished in the top 4. So I think he's the best player.
Zion, who do you think is the best manager in the La Liga league?
The best manager in La Liga I think is Diego Simeone, aka Cholo. As you know, he's done a great job taking in Luis Suarez and really helped Atletico Madrid. He also implements a good style of play and which is mostly possession, and attack also is pretty good since he has excellent strikers. So yeah, and he's also pretty good in building up the confidence of the team. So yeah, I would say Mr. El Cholo.
Shane, who do you rate the La Liga title race for us and also the best signing in the La Liga?
Oh yes, the La Liga title race I would rate it a 9 out of 10, as there was quite competition until the end. There was quite a title race between the three contenders: Barcelona, Real Madrid, and Atletico Madrid. But until the 33rd week, where Barcelona was ruled out of the race, and there was a title race only between Real Madrid and Atletico Madrid, where we had to wait until the final match to know who the real champions of the league were. And coming on to your second question, the signing of the year. I feel that Luis Suarez was the best signing of the year for La Liga, as although he came as a free agent, he has still proven his worth in helping Atletico Madrid win the La Liga after 6 years, because it was the last time they won was in 2014. So that is pretty impressive.
Anyone want to add on to that?
No, I agree with Shane.
No, even I would agree with Shane.
Moving on to the last league, the Serie A. Daniel, which is the best player in the Serie A league?
I guess it's a tough fight between Ronaldo and Lukaku, but I'm going to go with Lukaku because he scored goals and he's given assists, and because of him, Inter, I feel they won the title. Ronaldo, he just scored goals; he hasn't given that many assists.
So, on according to you, who's the best manager in the Serie A league?
From Syria, I think the best manager would be Antonio Conte of Inter Milan. Sadly, not anymore. He just had his departure 3 weeks after leading the team to a title win. Inter Milan's performance has been pretty good under him, and Inter Milan being one of the few teams to put a stop to AC Milan's dominant run throughout the season. So yeah, I would say Antonio Conte.
Shane, would you rate the title race of Serie A?
Yes, I would rate the title race of Serie A a 7 out of 10, as there wasn't much of a title race towards the ending of the season. But the way Inter Milan played in the second half of the season is really commendable. And getting those points and just topping the table is very impressive. But although there was a tough competition for the Champions League spots, as Juventus nearly clinched that spot, so there was more of a Champions League qualification competition, not much of a title race.
Ending the second episode of Ballers TV with the last question to Daniel. Who do you think is the best signing in the Serie A?
I think Hakimi to Inter was the best signing for Serie A because Conte in his formation, the wing backs suck. And last season, they fell short. Second place they finished in Serie A because of the wing backs. They didn't attack enough. This season, Hakimi's come in and he's helped them attacking and defensively both. And they ended up winning Serie A.
Anyone want to add on to that?
So
I
I
agree.
totally agree.
Okay. Uh, that's the end of the second episode of Ballers TV. Put the comments down below which is the best league you like. Yeah.
And if you all like N'Golo Kante, please hit the subscribe button.
Yes, for N'Golo.